Okay, we've come to Cabezzo Gordo today, but
Yes.
so has rest of Torre Pacheco, because with the confinement, it's about the only place we can go at the minute.
Asesina.
Asesina or Axis?
No.
Oh, Torch? It's Asesina.
Asesino? You don't know what it a killer.
Oh, assassinate!
Yeah.
What, in the caves?
It was our first time. I didn't know you very well.
Yeah.
So I was thinking, wow.
Is she going to kill me in the
She will
caves?
kill
Oh, that's
you.
nice, isn't it? Yeah. This is my mate. She thinks I was going to kill her in the caves. What the heck? Perhaps it was her that's locked the caves up so we can't go in there now. Do you think we'll get to the top today?
Yes, of course. I'm sure that we will. I'm okay. The killer jacket.
Yeah, this was where I'd bury a body. There's an easy way or a hard way.
The hard way.
We always go the hard way.
We always take the hard way. Yeah.
This is our route we've chosen today. But there does actually see down there, it does actually seem to be an actual path. But hey, the view's good from up here.
Yes.
Yes. See, this is what happens when Morella takes the lead. We get lost.
Oh, it's Jackie. Always Jackie. I got this.
It's a difficult word in Spanish. Lagartiza. Lagartiza.
Lizard.
Lizard.
Destrozada. When I'm oh
Oh.
my god, it's finish of my life because the lockdown in England.
Oh, right.
I'm gutted.
Gutted. Gutted.
Yes, a girl from England.
Gutted. I can see the top.
Oh my god.
We've made it to the top. Wow.